In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add notes to your charts on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, keeping detailed notes is an essential part of tracking your trading strategies and ideas. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log in to your TradingView account. If you haven't done so already, ensure you're logged in to access all the features we'll cover today. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where you can see a variety of charting options. Now, the next step is to choose the specific chart you want to work with. This could be any financial instrument that catches your interest or aligns with your current trading strategy. Simply click on the chart to open it in full view, which will allow you to apply the features we're about to explore. With your chart open and ready, direct your attention to the top right corner. Hover your mouse over this area and you'll notice three dots appearing. This is a menu that provides additional options for interacting with your chart. Click on these three dots to expand the list of available actions. Among the various options that appear, you'll want to focus on adding notes, a simple yet powerful way to enhance your trading experience by recording important observations directly on your chart. To add a new note, you'll find two options. You can either click on the Add Note button in the Details widget that appears on your screen, or navigate directly to any existing note you might want to modify. For creating a new note, go ahead and enter your text in the window that pops up. This is where you can document your insights, predictions, or any other relevant information about the chart you're analyzing. Once you've typed out your note, you'll have a couple of ways to finalize the process. You can either click on the Add Note button within the note entry window, or for those who love handy shortcuts, use the keyboard shortcut Alt+N. Either method will ensure that your note gets added successfully to the chart. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to utilize the note feature on TradingView. Adding notes is a crucial skill for any trader looking to keep meticulous records of their analytical processes. It can help you reflect on past trades, prepare for future ones, and ultimately make more informed decisions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Keep practicing and happy trading.